happening, folks? Jim Knight with Knight's Armory here. People are always asking me what kind of forge I use, and figured I'd take a second, tell you what I've got, and show you a little bit about it. It's going to be really fast. Here we go. Alright, this is the Hell's Forge. I ordered it online. I think you can get it on Etsy or on Amazon for like $300, something, maybe $350. I ended up getting mine on Etsy because it was a little bit cheaper. They had it on sale. I absolutely love this thing. It's a 20 psi. You can crank that thing up, get it going. If you're just getting started, you can't go wrong with this. Like I said, I absolutely love it. It's yeah, I really don't have anything negative to say about it. So if you're thinking about getting into forging, Hell's Forge, the 2-burner, pretty good start. I think they also have a single burner. I went ahead and went with the double. But yeah, it has got my seal of approval.